Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up Temu app for the first time in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Play Store on your device, and then in the search bar simply search for Temu and then install the Temu app on your device. Once you've installed it, you can head over to your app drawer search bar and look for the Temu app. Open up the Temu app on your device, accept all cookies, and then you can simply start shopping, or if you want to create an account, tap on You, Allow. You'll have to create a security verification in which you'll have to fill each box with the required number of objects indicated. We have one rabbit, so we have one rabbit, beers, and one fish. After which you can simply hit submit, allow Temu to send you notifications, and add the other requirements that are required by Temu. After that, you can either continue with Google, Facebook, email, or phone number. For now, we're going to be tapping on continue with Google. Select the Google account that you want to continue with and hit OK to receive. Here you can either hit the cross icon or hit OK to receive messages. For now we're going to be hitting the X icon, after which your Temu account has been created. You may be asked for security verification again, in which case you'll have to follow the same steps as earlier to verify. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.